Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to grow your Instagram following organically. Firstly, you have to create a short and interesting bio that tells people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Also, use keywords related to your business or interest to attract the right audience. Moreover, you need to share interesting and engaging Instagram stories every day to keep your audience entertained. Next, you have to build a community. When you create a strong community that interacts with and shares your content, they will support you even if your posts aren't the most attention-grabbing ones they see. Next, use hashtags that are neither too big nor too small, and make sure they are relevant to your niche and add them to your captions. The hashtags will not decide how well your content performs, they will just boost it. Next, don't use hashtags in the comment section of your page. Instagram helps you grow your profile based on keywords in your captions and bio, not comments. You are not using their full potential if you put hashtags in the comments. Furthermore, post attractive photos and videos that your audience loves. Also, stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your followers interested and coming back for more. Respond quickly to comments, messages, and mentions. Also, interact with your followers by liking and commenting on their posts too. Next, you have to spend time to make your profile look better, because most big Instagram pages usually have a professional look and a consistent theme, which makes you more likely to follow them. By following these strategies, you can grow your Instagram following organically over time. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.